You can now see this sums, this type of sum. You can see that in this case you have these two values, they are reciprocal. So when you find this type of sum to do in a easier method, we can say कि let say root over x by 1 minus x. So we take something, say let us take that as y, and therefore you can understand the reciprocal root over 1 minus x by x will become 1 by y, right? 1 by y. And now just put the values and then simplify and solve. So what I get, y plus 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6. So now solve this, and after solving this, getting the value of y, we can put this in this value, and then we can do squaring both sides and we can get the value of x. Understand? So y, what we got, y square plus 1 equals to 13 by 6. So we got here 6y square plus 6 equals to 13y, and therefore we got 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. So 36 to break 9 to get 13, 9 fours are, so 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So we can take 3y common, so 2y minus 3 minus, we can take 2 common, 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So equals to 0. So finally what we got, 2y minus 3 and 3y minus 2 equals to 0. So after that you can understand, we can say 2y minus 3 equals to 0, 3y minus 2 equals to 0, and then we get y is equal to 3 by 2 here, and we get y is equal to 2 by 3. Now what we will do, we will just put the value. So when y is equal to 3 by 2, so we can say what, root over x by 1 minus x is equal to 3 by 2, and then what we got, x squaring both sides, x 1 minus x is equal to 9 by 4, and then solve it, what you got, 4x equals to 9 minus 9x. So finally we got 13x equals to 9, and x is equal to 9 by 13. And again then take the next value. Again when y is equal to 2 by 3, again you get root over x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 by 3. Again squaring both sides, I get x by 1 minus x is equal to 4 by 9. So again we got what, 9x is equal to 4 minus 4x. Again we got 13x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 13. So finally we get what, x is equal to 9 by 13 or 4 by 13. So this is the answer. Okay, understand? Okay, now see this sum. It's a very important sum. It's little bit different. Now in this type what we'll do, we'll bring this a and b this side. But with this, means where you have a here, you bring the b with it, and with this b you bring a with it. You know why? You can understand why I am doing this. A by ax minus 1, now bring b with this a, so minus b, plus again b by bx minus 1, bring this a this side, minus a equals to 0. Now I'll do this part and this part separately. I'll take LCM. Now see, when I take LCM, so in both of this, you know, this and this, I get LCM as ax minus 1. So what I get, a minus b into this. And now here also if I take bx minus 1 LCM, and here you have 1, so this is the LCM. What you get here, b minus a into this. Okay, understand? So this is the reason I brought this b with this a and this a with this b. You know why? Now you can see, you will get abx, you will also get abx. So that is the reason you will get a similar numerator in both cases here. just see what we got. We got a minus abx minus minus plus b by ax minus 1 plus b minus abx plus a and by bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Now just see, this numerator and this numerator, they are same. They are same. They are, in fact, they are a plus b minus abx. So a plus b minus abx, a plus b minus abx. So what can I do? I can take a plus b minus abx common in both of them. So like this, I can take a plus b minus abx common and just see what I got. 1 by ax minus 1 plus 1 by bx minus 1 is equal to 0. So now you can understand we got the second last step of a quadratic equation. You know, we generally get what? X minus 2 into x minus 3 equals to 0. So this into this equals to 0. So now we can say therefore a plus b minus abx equals to 0, or 1 by ax minus 1 plus 1 by bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Understand? Now we'll solve it. What I get? A plus b equals to abx, and therefore a plus b by ab equals to x. So this is the first value, and here also 1 by ax minus 1 equals to, take this value that side, so you get what? Minus 1 by bx minus 1. So now we can do cross multiply. We get what? Bx minus 1 equals to, you know, minus 1 into ax minus 1. So bx minus 1 is equal to minus ax plus 1. And now bring all the x on one side and you get there 1 plus 1. I can take x common, so I get a plus b equals to 2, and finally I get x equals to 2 by a plus b. So we got the two value, x is this and x is that. Okay. Okay, now I have another important sum. In this sum what we will do, we will bring this x on one side, x and x on one side. So 1 by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x equals to 1 by a plus 1 by b. Now we can take LCM here. So LCM, what you got? X and a plus b plus x is the LCM. So x and then minus bracket a plus b plus x. So this is what we get here. And here I can take LCM as AB. We get b plus a, or that is a plus b. So we got here x minus a minus b minus x by x and a plus b plus x is equal to a plus b by ab. So I got x and x common. And now you can see we got what? Minus a minus b. I can take minus common. So what I get? Minus a plus b, and then x a plus b plus x is equal to a plus b by ab. Now this a plus b and a plus b will get cancelled. Finally ab comes here. So what you got? Minus ab is equal to x into a plus b plus x minus ab equals to ax plus bx plus x square. So you can understand 0. You got x square plus ax plus bx plus ab, and now we can factorize. We can take common x. What you got? X plus a plus, again we can take b common. I got x plus a, so 0. So x plus a and x plus b, and so finally you can understand x plus a is equal to 0, or x plus b equals to 0. So therefore x equals to minus a, or x equals to minus. Okay, understand?